Hi everyone, it's Lavinia and welcome. In today's video, I wanted to share with you a project page that I made a few years back, maybe 2 or 3 years ago. This was part of our local library workshop in conjunction with other state libraries. And this was online, an online workshop on Blackout poetry. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the page as well as these erasable highlighters that I got at Hobby Lobby yesterday. So this is the page that I made. And what you do is you pick a book page or something and you just go through and circle some words that stand out to you. And what I chose was heart, cinnamon tea, Sunday afternoon, leaned back, deep breath. So it sort of makes like a poem for you. And then I just drew this, teacup, probably with some Sharpies or markers and then some gel pen here. I put that little sparkle there. And then blacked out the rest of the letters so that you get this poem. And this just reminded me of the Tangle kit here, this Tangled Poetry. I did an unboxing of the kit, and that's through Kelly Bluen and Minutes of Zen. And on August 1st, she's going to show us the videos, but I did get to see a preview of her introductory video and unboxing of the kit, sort of like what I did. But she went into detail a little bit on, if anyone knew of Blackout poetries and Tangle poetry. And so I don't know what her video tutorials are going to look like, but it reminded me of this, that I had actually done a workshop on this. And I thought that I would just go ahead and show you in this video. Maybe I would take a page and demonstrate these markers or highlighters. I got these yesterday at Hobby Lobby. And this is even before I knew about this, but I thought that this would be the perfect highlighter to use for this. So rather than circling the words, for example, I circled cinnamon, but then I decided, I would have wanted tea. So it kind of looks, like two separate words. I mean, it is two separate words, but not in unison with the others. But I thought since these are erasable, it might work really well. So I have this book. I've never read it. I've never seen the movie, Dr. Zhivago. This is an Reader's Digest book. I have had this for several decades. And I thought that here in the back there's some poems. And therefore I thought that maybe I would, I haven't even read the poem, but I am going to rip it out. And I'm going to demonstrate these erasable highlighters in case you wanted to get them. I think I found them sort of like not by the checkout area, but in that front section, in between where the aisles start and the cashiers are. So this was $6.99, and there's 6-piece, green, purple, pink, orange, yellow, and blue. And I thought I would demonstrate them first just to show you what I mean. So this one is the pink. Here we have orange, yellow, green, purple, and the blue. And so it says they're erasable highlighter. And I don't know if this is silicone, but it's not like an eraser, like a, crumb eraser, like a real eraser where it gives crumbs. So it really erases quite nicely. Just have to kind of press on down there, but it will erase. And I thought this would be great. So rather than circling the words, I can just highlight the words, and then whether I'm drawing or whatnot, I can then just go erase the highlight, or maybe even leave the highlight. So let's go ahead and maybe pick some words. I think I'm going to pick you. So you're just picking words or phrases that speak to you, and that maybe once it's all together, you can form like a poem. So you can highlight them, maybe write them down on the side, or now that I have this erasable highlighter, I can read through and erase the words maybe that I don't want, and then black them out or paint over them. So let's see. Put here my destiny. Highlight here your voice. So let me go ahead and go through this, and then I'll come back and show you. Okay, so I've picked out my words, and they read, "You, my destiny, your voice, all night, to share morning, deep snow awakenings, lights, comfort tea. The blizzard weaves thickly falling flakes. The snow melts, the trees, my soul victory." So that is what I'm going to use as my poem. And I have here an alcohol marker. This is the Master's Touch brand. It is called Cobalt Blue, though it looks purple, but we'll see. So I am just going to black out everything that's not part of that highlight. And then if you wanted to draw, and that's what I had done here, but you know, you can take, for example, acrylic pens, acrylic paint, gel pens, and have that be your poem as part of your journal. I think that is going to be fun. As I mentioned, I forgot I had taken this class until this sort of reminded me, and I'm glad I found the page and I saved the page. Okay, so I have that all darkened out, and I'm going to take the eraser point and just erase this. Yep, so this, I'm so glad I got these. I wasn't sure if I wanted to get them or not, but then I thought, well, you know what? Maybe I could use them at work. And I am not taking them to work. I'm going to use them here, because I plan to do more of this for my journals. You do have to press down quite a bit. It's as if it's lifting that. So it's not like those Papermate pens that you might remember. Okay. So here is my poem. You, my destiny, your voice all night to share morning, deep snow, awakenings, light. Let me start all over. You, my destiny, your voice, all night to share morning, deep snow, awakenings, lights, comfort tea. The blizzard weaves thickly falling flakes. The snow melts, the trees, my soul victory. So, and yeah, I could probably put that in a journal, or I can cut these if I wanted to and use those words as little pieces on a journal page. So these again were highlighters from Hobby Lobby, erasable highlighters, a six-piece set at $6.99. Glad I got these. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.